Alright, hello everyone. It's been a little while. Today we are changing out the PLM one-piece downpipe for RPM's two-piece. Well, this isn't really part of the downpipe, but this is their downpipe. This is 3 inches Catless. As you can see, no restriction. And this is their upgraded flex pipe. Then you need another gasket. And they include the hardware. So car's already in the air. You just gotta take the underside. It won't be like a full detail on how to take the downpipe out. It's really annoying, and I wish I did sound test before, but I think like my first time I ever recorded with this car, I did a cold start with it and it had the same exact setup that it has right now. So I think that was my car reveal video, and yeah, so that startup is pretty much what you're gonna hear. And I also did revs at the gas station, so you can hear the difference, and I'll probably do some rev tests too. It's car's holding up pretty nicely after the Elantra N turbo swap. As you know, the injectors went out under there, and then we never had any issues with the high pressure fuel pump because it was already, well, it wasn't already, but I upgraded it with the turbo. So I'm guessing when I got tuned, a high pressure fuel pump probably would have went out with the injectors, so I'm glad I did that. But yeah, it's just this should take like 2 hours. I say 2 hours because since this is the one piece, you have to twist it clockwise and counterclockwise, and it's just a whole mess and annoying. So yeah, I'll cut to when we get the PLM one-piece downpipe out. That is all of the octane booster, I'm guessing. Holy, that is a lot of rust. What the fuck? That is actually really bad. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me move the camera. Holy, it looks like it's been sitting. I'm guessing that's from using octane booster. That does not look good. Holy. But anyway, it's been like an hour 30 minutes. Finally got this thing out. And then here's the side by side, I guess. It's no cat. I think this is 3 inches too. But again, this thing is just so annoying to take out. Like, I forgot how to take it out, and I thought I was gonna be stuck here for a while. I did notice, well, on the other side, there's oil on the feed. Let's see. Yeah, there's oil on the feed. I don't know if I tightened it enough, but that's probably not a good thing. And also the what's it called? The oil drain bolt was also what's it called, leaking. So probably just gonna check my thing. I think like the coolant and the oil are fine, but I think just the oil, I'll just like tighten it up just a little and wipe it down, and then check it another time whenever I'm underneath this car. But yeah, since it's the single piece, this should go in super easily. And then also the second piece, I have a new gasket because since this is one piece, you get rid of one of these. But yeah, we're just gonna get this in and probably do our first start and sound test. See you guys then. All right, everything is back in. New downpipe. The old downpipe is up there on the shelf. I think I only have to uninstall like one bracket. I don't know where I put it, but it's where the factory downpipe, because you can't have this installed. The downpipe is pretty much floating down to the exhaust, so it shouldn't rattle on anything because it has the exhaust hangers. Yeah, and let's just get straight to the first start. Catless, you get the Catless smell. And that's what my black car's exhaust smells like, so I'm used to it, kind of. But yeah, this thing's pretty loud. I do like, it's still cold, so maybe when I'm probably gonna get something to eat, because it took me about 4 hours. But I'm just gonna get something to eat, and then probably do like some revs out in the street, and I'll probably be warming up. So I'll see you guys then.